Hey guys, how are you? This is a quick one, just going through Stuart Pittaway's DIY BMS. I don't know whether Andy watches me or not, but and I don't have a really big following, which is fine at the moment. I don't really need it. I got told the other day I was should be in front of the camera and not behind the camera. Anyway, leave a message if you think I should be in front of the camera, and I'll try and sort it out. What I'm trying to do is, guys, I've gotten hold of these very handy little boards. This one's back to front. Of course, I've put it back to front. It's part of seeing if it works or not. So both boards look similar. This board here is the correct board as per Stuart Pittaway, but it took ages for him to get it to me. One lot didn't even bother to send them on AliExpress. It just disappeared into the void, and I never got my money back on it, which is fine. They're not that dear, but this one here should work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up on my Microsoft computer for the moment. I'm not going to set it up on my Ubuntu. It's not Ubuntu, what is it? Zorin OS, I forgot about that. Zorin OS. I'm not going to fit it to my Zorin OS board, just because I want to make sure they've got it right. And then I'm going to flash this and see if it turns on the display. Now I had to get a higher standoff on my board, so I had to get an extender, which you can buy off AliExpress, and if I can find that, I'll list it in there. It's a bit higher, and I'm thinking I might put a standoff here. Eventually I'll put something in underneath there. What else have I done wrong? Oh, I put that on instead of putting the right connector on. I might change it over, but at the moment I'm not selling any of the boards. I'm not doing anything like that. They've cost me an arm and a leg at the moment, but we're going to get onto it and start programming this board and see if we can get it sorted for the day. Yeah, in the background you can see my 3D printer. Let's see if this is going to work. The fit is a lot better. I've put it in there, and now I'm going to try and flash it as per Stuart Pittaway's programming and his channel. So I'll list his channel below and try and list what you've got to do. So the first thing you've got to do is plug it into your computer, and when you plug it in you should get a red light on it. I'm going to follow what Stuart said and use GitHub Actions. Now that is a part of the GitHub repository, and we're going to give it a try. Following what he said, he's suggested file off the computer, and yes, it's to do GitHub Actions. You need the zip file, so you need the release off his website, and it's right here. It's his latest one that I'm doing at the moment is, I think it's the 5th of the 10th, 2021, and we're going to download that. He's also got the source code there, which is unbelievably good. Thanks, Stuart, for helping us, or helping everyone out with this. So I need to put all this and extract it, and I'm going to extract it to probably there somewhere. Let's extract it to somewhere that way you can get rid of later. So I'm going to extract it to there. I'm going to make a folder and dump it in there. We're going to open that up, and we're going to extract everything into there. The only problem is I've lost where the file is, which is annoying. Okay, let's try that again. Extract all. And we're going to browse down to where I dumped the file in the first place, which was on my desktop. And yeah, we're going to extract it all there. And now it's done. And now we're plugged in and we're going to continue. As per Stuart's suggestion, we're going to use Node MCU Flash Tool. I've used it before a long time ago, but I haven't used it for a while. And we're going to have to download it. Probably the Python version, which is, yep, the exe file probably. Grab the exe file and follow me. Node MCU Flash Tool, once you've downloaded it, and pick the port that it's hanging off. So port 3 in my case. You better remember what your port is too, and set your baud rate to whatever you think you're going to be able to do. You're going to have to erase it once you're finished, and you need to download the actual file, which is under, I put it on the desktop and it's under one of these. So we're going to do that now. So to follow me, or to follow Stuart, it's under control, and it is ESP32 control firmware complete, which he's done. And then we set the speed. You can try to do a quicker speed and see if that works. If it doesn't, you can drop back down, and you need to erase your actual module, the memory in the module, and then all you have to do is flash it. So then it's going to flash the actual firmware like I'm doing now. Might take a little while depending on what speed you've picked, and I've only picked double the speed of normal just because I'm not sure. And this is going to take a little while, so I'm going to pause it. It's just going to go through its stuff, and we should have it installed pretty soon. It's finished. It should come up firmware successful. Maybe you might need to see that a little bit closer. And firmware successful, and that's completed. So yeah, let's hop out of that. We don't need that at the moment. So that's finished. Yeah, hopefully, if anyone's using this, please give me a yell out. I'm trying to get it working and I'm having a problem. The display's not working for some reason. I'm getting a light, green and red light on, and nothing on the display. Is it the display? Not sure. It's telling me something about the code in line 60. I'm going to have to go and have a look at that. Clever man, Stuart, and whoever else is helping, mainly Stuart I'd say, but the other people that are helping, if I've missed anyone. I had a red and green light, LED light, and that says the TCA6408 error. Now I've just realised on the board U3 is meant to be the TCA6408, I believe, on this. So yeah, I'm going to have to go and find this chip and buy it and put it back onto this. And I don't think the display's got anything wrong with it. It's just that it's got this error coming up because it can't find it. I do need to fix that. Yes, I know. It looks terrible. And I bet you if Brett's watching this, he's going to say, "What are you doing?" I think I might have a surprise for you, Brett, soon. So don't go asking too many questions. All right, mate. Bye.